Welcome to Don Carinderia series. Today we're going to cook pepperoni pizza. I'm going to show you how to create the dough, the sauce, and the toppings, and we'll make a wonderful pepperoni pizza at the end. The dough is inspired by the recipe of Gemma from biggerbolderbaking.com. This is also a basic pizza recipe, so you can customize your pizza. If you don't like pepperoni, you can have veggies as toppings. You can do that. Let's prepare the ingredients. Let's start with the dough. In a big bowl, dump 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Next, let's add 1/4 teaspoon of instant yeast. This is instant, so you don't need to put it in water first. And then bury it in the flour. On the other side, let's add 2 teaspoons of salt. Please remember that yeast and salt are mortal enemies, so don't put them together. Mix 2 tablespoons of olive oil with 1 1/3 cups of lukewarm water. It's time to marry the wet and dry ingredients. Mix them up with your hands or use a spatula. Until you don't see or feel dry flour anymore. Temporarily remove your dough and place it in a separate bowl because we're going to coat our bowl with olive oil. Place your dough back into the bowl and then cover it with plastic wrap. And then we're going to ferment the dough for 12 to 18 hours. Let's check out our dough after 18 hours. So this is how it looks like. Divide your dough into 4 balls. Weigh them so you can divide them properly. Wrap the other dough in plastic wrap, and then you may store it in the fridge or put it in the freezer. For the dough that you will use, on a floured surface, knead it lightly. After light kneading, rest your dough for 30 more minutes. You can now place your dough and stretch it on your pan. If it springs back, rest your dough for additional 10 minutes. When you're stretching, don't worry about the holes in your dough. Just pinch the dough. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit or 225 Celsius. Let's prepare the sauce this time. To make the sauce, combine tomato paste with water. Add garlic and onion powder. Add oregano and basil. Adjust to your taste. Allow it to cool completely before adding it to your pizza dough. Add your pizza sauce. Spread it to the far edges of your dough. Add more sauce if you want. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. This part here is optional. When I buy a thick pepperoni, I'd like to cook them first before adding it to my pizza. This way, I can remove the excess oil. Add your parmesan and mozzarella. Cover the entire pizza with cheese or pepperoni or both. Another option is to add your veggies if you don't like pepperoni. You can add basil, you can add mushrooms, you can add bell peppers if you want. At the end of the day, it's your pizza, it's your call. Let's start cooking. Place your pizza into the oven and wait for 10 minutes. To achieve the crispy crust, I cook the pizza on the stovetop for 3 minutes on medium heat. Make sure you have your chili flakes and hot sauce. Enjoy your pepperoni pizza! Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.